These Fusion animal videos are getting hundreds of millions of views, and creators are hiding the process unless you buy their course. Now I'm gonna reveal the process how to make them in 4 simple steps for free. By the way, I have 250,000 followers across social media and I'm just starting YouTube. Follow me so I can continue to make videos like this. Let's start with prompting. If you want to create videos like this, you need to come up with an idea and then ask ChatGPT for a prompt. You don't need to write all these prompts yourself. I just wrote one sentence and it gave me a prompt like this. So, for example, let's say we're gonna recreate a video like this one. It had 36 million views. Yeah, so it's basically image and video, image and video. If you want to create something like this, you just basically need to prompt ChatGPT and create images and videos. So step number 1 is to get those prompts. Step number 2 is create images. Let's say you're gonna do 3 transformations. So you will need 3 images of the hybrids and 3 images where there will be 2 objects in the video. Let's say it's like here, it's the animal and fruit, which is in this case banana and dolphin. You can use tools like ideogram, where I created the dolphin and banana. You can also use Deep AI. Both of these are free, or you can use Dream Machine or any other image tool. Step number 3 is to animate these images. For the video to be perfect, you need to start with an image and then have a video, but you will create image and then animate the image to video. And you can do that also with Dream Machine. It was image before, and then I just wrote a simple prompt where it animated the image to video. You can use Dream Machine, Kling, Pika, or any other like image to video tools for this. So here are images I created from Dream Machine. This is dolphin with banana, then we have hamster with strawberry and lion with dragon fruit. Now that we have these images, you also need prompts to create the hybrids. And these are the hybrids: dolphin and banana, hamster strawberry, and dragon fruit lion. Pretty fucking cool, right? When you animate them, it looks something like this. Step number 4 is editing. You have to put all this stuff together and then you will have your video ready. So you can use any editing software you want, but I used InShot on my phone because it's the easiest for me. So you basically just upload the images into InShot or any other software, and you cut the scenes to match basically the music. So in this case, I counted it was like 2.2 or 2.3 seconds, and then I add videos between each image. So it goes like image, video, image, video, image, video. When you have that ready, you can insert with pip the music. I downloaded the video and then uploaded the video here with the music. Now I'm gonna shorten the footages so it matches the music. Almost like the original video, right? Now you're almost done. Now you just have to add text like I'm doing here, basically describing what's gonna happen and adjust the timeline. Now you need to do that for every image, so it will be 3 texts. And then you can also add some filters so it looks better, cooler or warmer, up to you. When you have that ready, it looks something like this. Now you just have to save the video. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, follow me and see you next time.